So as you can see from the title, I'll be preparing some Bulgar porridge. So a lot of persons don't like this porridge. I don't think I've had it myself, but I'm going to try it today. So this is everything that I'll be using today. So I have coconut milk powder here, I have the bulgur, and this is 400 grams. So I'll be using all of this. I'm going to use some condensed milk. I'm not using the Betty brand today. Bear in mind that this video is not sponsored, so I just decided to change a brand of condensed milk today. I'll also be using some mixed spice for baking. Yes, it says baking, but I'll be using it to make my porridge. I always use it to make my porridge. I have some bay leaves here. This is 4 bay leaves. I washed them already. My kitchen towel is clean, so I don't have any cinnamon leaves today. So I'm just going to use the bay leaves. And I have some grated nutmeg here. I also have my vanilla extract and sugar. I'm not sure if I'm going to use more sugar than what is here, but this is all of the ingredients that I'll be using today. I'll also be using a pinch of salt, but I don't have it right here right now. But I'll be using a pinch of salt also. So the water is on the stove. It's boiling. I'm going to add the bay leaves in there now, and I'm going to let that boil. Then I'm going to add whatever I'm adding in there next. Stay tuned to see the rest of the process. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed as yet, I'm giving you a few seconds to subscribe. So if that button is red, just click it and make sure that it is gray. And please ensure that you click that bell to be notified whenever I post, which is on a Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I will post random videos during the week, but my scheduled videos are on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So take this time to subscribe, because I only bring greatness. So if you don't know Bulgar, it is a healthier version of rice. It is similar to rice. So go ahead and wash it. I just washed mine. I'm about to put it in the pot now. So as I said, Bulgar is the healthier alternative to rice or white rice. But the brand that I'm using is Creation Food. That is the brand that I always buy. I don't know why, and it's tough. So I'm going to have to pressure it, and you all know that I love my pressure cooker. So I'm going to add it to the pressure cooker now and get on the road. So the water is boiling. Adding it to the water now. So remember, wash your things before you use them, to remove any germs or foreign object, because you know that it's coming from the factory. Anything can be in there. So just wash your stuff to be on the safe side. Stay tuned. I'm going to leave it to pressure for approximately 10 minutes, and I'm going to get back to you. So I'm just going to give it a little stir, and I'm going to cover off camera, because as you all know, the pressure cooker lid is a bit hard to go in sometimes. So I'm going to cover it off camera and get back to you after 10 minutes. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm back. I forgot to tell you that I'm going to add a little sugar in there. So that is almost 1 cup of sugar. So I added the sugar while pressuring, because Bulgar can be a bit bland sometimes, and this one is a bit tough, so I want the sweetness to soak in so that I will enjoy it. As I said before, I'm not sure if I've had it before. So I want to enjoy it. I don't want to waste my time or my money. So just stay tuned. I'm going to cover now. Yes, I'm going to cover now. I'm gonna come back until after 10 minutes, and then I'll show you the rest of the process. The bulgur is done pressuring, so I forgot to mention that I'll be using some oats. So I'm using the oats to add a little body to the porridge, because the bulgur won't be as much to be thick. So this is the reason why I'm adding the oats. I'm going to add the coconut milk now, and I'm going to give it a stir and leave it to boil for about 3 minutes. It's now time for me to sweeten. I'm using sweetened condensed milk, and I'm also using brown cane sugar. After sweetening, I'm going to add my spices. Remember to stir so that the bulgur and the oats won't stick to the bottom of the pot. And if the porridge is too thick for your liking, you can add more water or coconut milk or any liquid of your choice. I'm using vanilla extract, grated nutmeg, and the mixed spice for baking. Remember that you can use any spice of your choice. So this is my preference of spices. As I said before, bulgur is a healthier version of rice. It is a very fibrous food, so it is good for bowel movements. It is also a low-calorie food, so you know that it is good for your heart. And it is also low in sugar, sodium, and fat. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope my video helped someone. Bye!